Hello, I'm Myron from HTS Spares, and I'm here today talking to you about our Cobra Rodding reels. Now, for those of you that are unaware what these are, I'll quickly explain that now. Have you ever struggled to run cables through pipes or conduit out on site, just can't quite get them that full length of the pipe easily? Well, the struggle ends when you have one of these. So I'll quickly explain how these work. So it's a flexible rod on a reel, and you simply tie a cable to the end here that has a hole in, thread it through, and then reel off the cable like that, and then that will take your cable through the pipe. It's brilliant, simple, nice and easy. These come in a range of sizes from 4.5mm rodding all the way up to 11mm, and the lengths they cover are from 50 meters all the way up to 300 meters. So these are a brilliant addition to have on your hire fleet to run those cables so much easier, so much quicker. And what's better is that these are on offer this month from HTS Spares. Give us a call or speak to your rep today to secure yours. Thank you.